Okay.
I'm watching it.
This is for the ALS challenge, and at this point I think everybody in the world has done the ice bucket challenge, who's going to do the ice bucket challenge. So I challenge Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny, and the Tooth Fairy, who are I think are the only people who have not done it yet. But in all seriousness, I will then challenge Mary Pugh, Joanne Duff, and Tracy Duff to do the ALS challenge. But I'm very happy and honored to have Dr. Sean Tittle as well, who's going to be doing the ALS bucket challenge with me today. Dr. Tittle.
Here with State Senator Duff, and I'm very happy to do the ice bucket challenge with you. I also have not done it, but I challenged my two sisters, Tamara and Tiffany, and my cousin Mark Hendricks to do the ALS challenge. Go to alsa.org, and afterwards we have our check.
And we'll make a donation also. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
You ready?
1, 2, 3.